Running a Shopify dropshipping store sounds simple until you start getting orders. You need to copy order details, source products from China, check inventory, communicate with suppliers, track shipments, and update tracking numbers manually. For many sellers, processing orders manually can take a significant amount of time. That's where BuckyDrop comes in. BuckyDrop is an all-in-one dropshipping platform built for Shopify and WooCommerce sellers. It helps sellers source products from major Chinese marketplaces like 1688, Taobao, Tmall, and JD, helping you source products, handle quality checks, manage inventory, and fulfill orders worldwide. But what many sellers appreciate most isn't just the technology, it's the support. Looking through seller reviews, one thing stands out: dedicated account managers. Many sellers mention their account managers by name, highlighting fast responses, detailed guidance, and real support when handling suppliers and orders. Another major advantage is 1688 sourcing. Many dropshippers want access to China's huge product ecosystem, but they struggle with language barriers, payments, and supplier communication. BuckyDrop helps simplify the process, from finding products on 1688 and Taobao to purchasing and shipping them directly to your customers. For sellers who want to build a real brand, BuckyDrop also supports private labeling and custom packaging. From branded inserts and thank you cards to custom labels and packaging, you can create a more professional customer experience without managing everything yourself. As your store grows, fulfillment becomes one of the biggest challenges. Long-term users highlight BuckyDrop's fast processing, reliable warehouse services, and smooth order fulfillment. That means fewer manual tasks, fewer mistakes, and more time to focus on growing your store. Many sellers use BuckyDrop to build and scale their dropshipping operations, rated 4.8 stars on Trustpilot and 4.9 stars on the Shopify App Store. Start your free account today, get your dedicated account manager, and enjoy your first 30 orders with no subscription fee.